to subscribe!
It's hard to behave.
Rookie and Pat are patrolling the roads.
Well, another day of work begins. Huh? What's going on up there?
Let's go check it out.
Oh, look at that! What do we do now?
Tayo!
Oh, Pat!
Hey, what has happened here?
Well, you see...
The coast is clear over here.
And it's all clear over here, too. If we get caught again, Shine...
We'll be in really big trouble.
Yeah! Let's go!
Speedy! Shine! Slow down, you guys!
I have to deliver these on time today.
And it's all our fault.
That must be Pat!
Let's get out of here!
Wait for me!
Don't worry. Nobody will find out where we are.
I guess you're right.
I'm the only one who knows about this place.
Shine!
What? Oh!
You two.
This is not the first time.
Someone could have gotten hurt.
It was all Speedy's fault.
What? How was it my fault?
Oh, you kids! You two are both suspended.
What?
No way!
Please, not that. We won't ever do it again.
Okay. All right, then.
Huh?
Huh?
Here, I'm gonna give you guys one more chance.
What are these?
If you do something good and get a signature from a witness, I won't suspend you.
Do something good?
What does that have to do with being suspended?
Fine, then do you want to be suspended now?
No, but I mean,
If you don't get it by the end of the day, then you'll really be suspended.
Something good, huh?
What's that supposed to mean?
All right, let's pick up the speed.
Huh?
We have to get all this done by today.
I know. We can help them with their construction work.
Hey, wait up!
Hey, Max!
Huh? Speedy, Shine.
What brings you here?
We want to help you.
Huh?
Yeah.
What? Help us?
Yeah. But we need you to sign this afterwards.
Sign?
First, you can move the sand with those carts.
Once you're done, then we'll sign your papers.
No problem.
Hey, me first!
I am a bit worried.
I'll get this done in no time.
What? Oh! I can't see! Oh! Speedy! Stop right there!
Dad, I'm sorry.
What in the world are they doing?
They did say they wanted to help.
Stop running away!
So we can teach them.
Oh no!
You kids! Get out of here!
We were just trying to help.
Yeah, and they didn't even sign for us.
Hey, guys!
Huh?
Huh? What happened to you?
It's a long story. Where are you guys going?
Oh, we got done with work early, so we're going to help Robbie.
Help Robbie?
Yeah, we're going to help her clean the playground.
If we help them out,
We can get our papers signed.
I'll help you.
Huh?
Me too, me too!
What are they up to?
I'm not sure.
Tayo Tayo, the little bus.
You guys can rest up. We'll do all the work.
Why? We'll do it together.
I told you, we just need your signature.
Yeah. So you guys can go play somewhere.
Huh?
Yeah?
Oh, all right.
Good luck, you guys.
Now, shall we begin the cleanup?
Let's go.
They should be done by now.
Yeah.
What's wrong, Robbie?
Ta-da! What do you think?
Isn't it clean?
What's all this?
It's messier than before.
So, signature?
Come on, come on!
No way.
Huh?
We're not signing anything. This place is messier than it was before.
Hey, that's not fair. We still cleaned up.
Yeah, you can't do that.
We're not signing.
Why not?
What's going on here?
Are you two still causing trouble over here?
This was all Shine's fault.
No, it wasn't. It was all Speedy's fault.
I can't believe you two. That is it.
Huh?
You two are now suspended. Both of you can go straight home right now. And if you don't behave this time,
You'll never be allowed out again.
Oh, no!
We were just trying to help them out.
Yeah, I don't know what we did wrong.
All right, let's clean up again.
Huh? Hey.
Shine, that's all the mess we made.
And they're still cleaning it up.
I thought we were helping out.
But maybe we did make it worse. But since we're suspended, Speedy, we should get home now.
Yeah.
Hey, that's Cito.
Uh-huh. Cito,
Oh.
what's wrong?
I'm supposed to take these tourists to the airport, but I can't move because my tire is flat. I'm afraid all these people will miss their flights.
What?
what should we do?
We're gonna be late.
1, 2. We can take 4 people to the airport, Shine.
But Speedy, we're suspended, remember?
And if you don't behave,
You'll never be allowed out again.
Yeah, maybe we shouldn't. Huh?
We're all gonna miss our flight.
Are we gonna miss him, Mommy? It's okay.
Shine, I want to take them to the airport.
Me too. I think we should take them there.
Cito.
Huh?
Don't you worry, we'll take these people to the airport.
Really?
Yeah.
Yup.
Speedy and Shine drove the 4 tourists safely to the airport.
thanks a lot, you guys. Take care.
I'm glad they didn't miss their flight.
I'm glad that we took them there.
I feel good about this.
Oh, it's Tayo and Lanny.
Hey, guys.
Hey, guys. Are you going home now?
Yeah. We just finished cleaning.
We're really sorry.
It was all our fault.
That's okay. But aren't you guys supposed to be suspended right now? What if Rookie and Pat find out?
Speedy? Shine?
Oh.
What are you two doing out here? Stop right there.
I thought I told you, you two are suspended.
Well, you see,
We didn't mean to, but...
Are you making excuses again?
Huh? Oh.
Hey, guys! There you are. I've been looking for you.
Cito!
I never got a chance to thank you. So thank you, guys.
What do you mean, Cito?
I couldn't go anywhere because my tire was flat. So Speedy and Shine took the passengers to the airport for me.
Wow!
Thanks to them, everyone made it on time today.
What? Is all of this true?
Well, yeah.
Yes.
Huh?
Huh?
Huh? What are these?
Well, those are stickers that we give to cars that have done something good.
What?
But we broke the rules.
That's true,
Huh?
but you still helped others knowing that you'd get in trouble.
Huh?
Helping others, because you really want to, is what makes a really good person.
So you two are no longer suspended.
Wow!
Thanks, guys.
Congratulations!
Nice job!
You won't cause any more trouble, will you guys?
Of course not.
Because we are good cars now!
Speedy and Shine have learned to put others first. They now know how good it feels to help others.
Chris wants recognition. One active afternoon, the heavy-duty vehicles are working hard.
Good job, Poco.
Guys, should we call it a day?
Yeah, that should be fine.
Good job, everyone.
We're all dusty now.
I must have worked the hardest, seeing how I look the messiest.
What are you talking about? Can't you see all the dust piled up here?
We all worked hard. Let's go wash up now.
That felt refreshing.
It feels especially good to have a wash after a day of hard work.
You are right.
What's up, Chris? Is something wrong?
I think the road is a bit weird. What is this?
It's a big pothole.
This must be dangerous. Should we fill this?
Okay.
That's nice and even.
Oh, that should be fine now.
Good job, Chris.
But you are a mess again, Chris.
Oh, well, I couldn't help it. I'll go for a wash again. I feel all proud that I did something good for others. Everyone must be thankful.
Ah! Ugh! Ew, what is this?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Ugh.
Hey, I just went for a wash. Watch it.
Oh.
Oh, that's disgusting.
Gross. So dirty. Let's stay away from him. Smell.
They're so mean. I was just working hard.
Thank you very much.
Isn't that fun?
I would have been so worried if it wasn't for you.
I'm glad there isn't anybody that got hurt.
Frank is always so great.
You're right. He is the best.
Frank!
I was just doing my job.
Hello, Chris.
Hello, Tayo.
We are at the destination.
Thank you, Tayo. I wouldn't have made it on time if it wasn't for you.
Right. Thank you for giving me a ride every day.
You are most welcome, anytime at all.
Everyone loves them. Oh, they get all the recognition and appreciation for their work. Look at me.
The next day, the heavy-duty vehicles are gathered and working again.
Watch out! Chris, that was dangerous.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Chris, can you pour some cement over here, please?
Okay. I want to do something people love.
Chris!
Huh?
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm sorry.
You need to focus when you are working. Yeah.
Is there something bothering you, Chris?
Huh? Actually, I don't think anyone likes what we're doing.
What? What are you talking about, Chris?
We have such an awesome job.
But
Hey, guys.
Huh?
Can I help you? I'm from the City Hall.
The City Hall? Maybe he's here to compliment us.
You know, it's about the noise from the construction site. We've got complaints about it.
What?
Huh? And there are also complaints about all the dust spreading out. So please be careful about that.
I see. I didn't know.
All right, then. We'll watch it.
What? It wasn't anything like a compliment.
Yeah, I'll count on you guys. Oh, so dusty.
You've all heard him. Let's be careful.
Okay.
Why should we be the ones to be careful?
Because people were complaining?
We are working this hard and just getting nothing but complaints in return. I can't take it anymore.
Huh? Hey, Chris.
What's wrong with him?
I'll look for a job that people like. What will it be? Aha! That's it!
Tayo, the little bus.
I want to put a fire out like you
Chris
did.
tries to find a job other than construction.
What? You want to be a fire truck?
Yes. If I become a fire truck, I can help others, and I will get a lot of compliments as well.
But Chris...
Should we have a test then? Don't worry. I have a container of water as well.
I'm not sure that's a good idea.
Consider that barrel as a fire and spout water at it. Not a problem. Chris, you can't put out fire with a water stream like that. Oh, I could do better.
Chris decides to try delivery.
Okay.
Huh? Speed means everything for deliveries. You have to make sure to deliver things in a timely manner.
Don't you worry about that. I can be very fast. You'll see.
Oh, there's a customer waiting right there.
Over here!
All right. I'll do a great job this time.
Hello.
Hello.
Your delivery's here.
Oh, you work for delivery as well?
Yep, I'll get your package right away.
Huh? What is this? It's all smashed!
I'm so sorry.
Chris, you can't be a police car if you are that big.
I don't think passengers can ride in your container.
You want to be a helicopter? But you can't fly, Chris.
Oh no. In the end, Chris isn't able to find a new job.
Oh, I miss my friends. They must be done with work already. Oh? Are they still working this late? What are they still doing?
Now we just need cement poured in here and we'll be done.
What should we do without Chris?
Not to worry. I could do that.
Huh?
Watch.
Whoa!
Ah!
Whoa! What should we do now?
What do we do?
They're all in trouble because I'm not there. No, nobody will appreciate the job, even if we work hard. I want to have a cool job. Huh? This place? Huh?
Chris, give me some cement here.
Okay. Everyone, stay focused. I feel a bit nervous since it's our first construction, don't you?
You're right. We better not make any mistakes.
Imagine how proud we'll feel when this house is finished.
It'll be awesome. It was the first house I built with my friends. Oh.
Let's go out for a delicious dinner.
Okay.
Oh.
Chris? Chris, is it you? How have you been?
Oh, yeah, I've been good.
You should come and say hi.
Hello there.
Oh, hi.
This is Chris. He built our house very nicely.
Wow, our house?
Yes, he did.
Wow, you are great, Chris.
Thanks.
Chris, it's great to see you. We've always wanted to say thank you to you.
Thank me for what?
Thanks to all of you for building us a nice house. We are all living happy lives here.
Thanks to us?
Yes, you've built a house where our family can live, and we've got a pretty little girl like her here.
Thank you, Chris.
Wow. My work can make someone happy as well.
Chris finally realizes the preciousness of his work.
I started to get worried.
We should get the work done as soon as possible.
What's Chris doing right now?
Chris? Why are you all so late? We can't finish this building on time like this.
What? I wonder who ditched the work and left.
What? What are you talking about? I wouldn't leave such an awesome job.
Chris,
you...
Shall we now finish what's left?
All right.
It is good to see Chris back. Chris and the friends are cool, heavy-duty vehicles that make others happy.
The leader of the playground.
On a lovely afternoon, the little buses and their friends are playing in the playground. But I don't think they're being very careful.
Now, one at a time. Try and catch me.
Stop right there! Hey, that's dangerous!
Me first!
I'm scared.
Connie, this ride isn't scary at all.
But...
Huh?
Connie!
What's taking you so long? Hurry up and move!
The little buses are hurt and have come to the repair shop.
How did you end up hurting yourselves?
This is all Speedy's fault.
Huh? No, it's not. It's Tayo and Rogi's fault.
Huh?
What? What did we do?
Oh, come on.
I think we need to do something about this.
What should we do? Ah, that's it. Everyone here?
Yeah!
Why did you call us?
Lately, there seems to be more accidents happening at the playground.
So we've decided to find a leader to take charge of the playground.
A leader of the playground?
Wow, that's awesome!
Yeah!
We don't need a leader.
A leader of the playground. So that's what being leader is like. Hey, guys! I want to be the leader.
You want to?
You're gonna help me out. Right, guys?
Shine.
Huh?
How about I become the leader?
Huh? Why?
If I become the leader, then we'll be able to speed around the playground.
Haha. Then I'll help you.
Yahoo!
Tony, why don't you try being the leader?
Me?
Yeah.
You know all the traffic rules.
Yeah, you should try.
Should I try? Well, I do know the traffic rules very well.
Attention! Now, will all the candidates please come forward?
Huh? You want to be the leader?
What's wrong with that?
Oh, good thing I came forward.
Okay, So far, it's Lanny, Tony, and Speed.
Is there anyone else?
Oh, I better go clean that up.
Okay. And Rubby.
Huh?
You four are the candidates.
Okay. I didn't,
All candidates will prepare a speech and give reasons for why they would be a good leader.
Okay. Oh my goodness.
It's the next day.
All right, everyone. We'll start with the first candidate.
Oh, it's starting.
Yeah.
Here's Lanny, the little bus.
Hello, everyone.
For a clean
And pretty playground.
I'm the sweetheart of the bus garage. I'm Lanny.
Lanny!
Wow! Lanny prepared a lot!
Everyone, if you vote for me as leader, I will make sure that there is no wild behavior in the playground again.
Oh,
yeah! And I'll decorate the playground with pretty flowers, so everything will look beautiful.
Yeah!
Great. Lanny is the best! So please pick me when voting for the leader. Thank you. Wow, those are really good ideas, don't you think?
Yeah!
Okay, everyone. Let's meet our second candidate now. Speedy!
A playground where you can go crazy.
I'm as fast as lightning. I'm Speedy!
Yeah!
Okay, if you all vote for me, I'll make the playground into a racetrack.
What?
So we can race and play all day long.
Huh? He won't be a good leader.
I'll also make the city into a playground so we can play every day.
Hey, let's get down from here.
Huh? Why? I'm not even finished yet.
Come on, let's go.
Everyone, don't!
Speedy is so silly! Tayo, the little bus.
And now, I'll introduce our third candidate, Tony!
Isn't that big?
Yeah, she said it was Tony, though.
When it's time to start voting, take a good look around. You'll see a little truck with the hip hop. Who's the best choice for the leader of the playground? Little Truck Tony!
Little Truck Tony!
Vote for Tony!
Vote for Tony!
A good playground, a safe playground. Hello, I'm Tony the traffic expert.
Tony's the best.
Everyone, the playground is lacking order. The accidents seem to never end. So I will make new rules for the playground and kick out any car that doesn't follow the rules.
Tony's great. He's so responsible.
Yeah, but I'm a bit scared.
Wow, Tony's so popular.
Shine, I'm kind of worried.
Don't worry, I have a good idea.
Now, here's our last candidate. It's Rubby, the cleaning car.
Oh my, I was too busy cleaning and didn't prepare anything. What should I do? Is she alone? Rubby's by herself.
Yeah.
Hi, you guys. I didn't prepare anything like the others did. Oh, but I will promise to work hard and make a safe and clean playground for everyone.
Guys.
If you come with us,
We'll give you the best engine oil for free.
Oh, that's Speedy. I'm sorry, Rubby.
Oh, I'm okay.
Oh, well. Okay, everyone. Let's go home and get some rest.
Okay.
Oh. Oh. Someone might get hurt if I don't clean this up.
Huh?
Robbie! It was the day of the elections, and the cars gathered after voting for a leader.
And now it's time to announce the voting results.
Yay! I wonder who won. I wonder who's gonna win.
All right, let's see. The first vote goes to Lanny. Tony.
That's right.
Lanny. Tony. Lanny. Tony. 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 Lanny.
I have to be the leader. No, I'll be the leader.
Why didn't I get any votes?
I don't think I'll get any votes.
There aren't many votes left. Huh? Robbie. 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 Tony. Lanny. Robbie.
Huh?
They're all tied.
Oh, wow.
Let's see. The last vote goes to... Robbie the cleaning car.
Robbie won. Something must be wrong.
That's not true.
Huh?
We all decided it should be Robbie.
Yes, we did.
Yeah, we did. When we saw Robbie cleaning the playground from corner to corner, we thought she would make the best leader.
Congratulations, Robbie.
Oh, thank you, everyone.
What's important is that Robbie cares for the playground.
I see. Robbie, I think I was thinking too much about myself. We didn't value the playground like Robbie does.
Well, you guys can all help me from now on.
Okay.
But why didn't I get any votes? Hey, Shine, who did you vote for?
I thought you would get some votes, so I voted for Robbie.
What?
Robbie became the leader of the playground. We hope you can make the playground a safe and clean place, Robbie.
We're the best with each other. Best friends Speed and Shine are playing together at the playground.
Don't worry.
Take this, Shine.
Take a shot. Come on. Go in. Great. We really are a good match.
Of course.
Oh, no. Is that a Rachel?
Where is he rushing to?
It's time for school. No, I'm late for school.
We'll go first.
What just went past me?
Oh, yeah.
Whoa.
Speed, Shine.
Oh.
Haven't I told you it's dangerous to speed in the hallway? Go to the classroom now.
Okay. Hello, guys.
Good morning, everyone.
At least we're not late.
I know.
We will learn a new song today. So repeat after me, everyone.
Okay.
Up into the blue, blue, blue sky.
Up into the blue sky. Yo, into the sky.
Fly into the sky so high.
Fly into the sky so high.
So high.
Speed, it's not time to fool around.
Okay.
Let's all sing together. 1, 2, 3.
Up into the blue sky.
Fly into the
sky so high.
Above the
sunlight up to
to the sky so high and bright. Up to the sky so high and bright.
Wow!
That was so great!
Very well done. So, I guess Shine isn't just a naughty boy after all.
Me?
By the way, you guys are all yellow. Maybe that's why you were so in harmony.
We are! That's marvelous!
Shine and the other yellow friends feel good to be praised.
I think we suit each other very, very well.
We do! How come we didn't figure that out earlier?
Do you guys want to go out somewhere?
Just us yellow friends?
Sure.
Hey, Shine!
Huh?
Let's go to the playground, huh?
Oh, I'm sorry. I'll be going out with my yellow friends today.
What?
We can go some other time. Come on, let's go.
Okay.
Yellow friends? Well, that doesn't seem right.
Wow! This is really beautiful.
I think yellow flowers look the most beautiful of all.
Yeah, and the butterflies are yellow too. The kids are in yellow uniforms too.
Follow me carefully.
Okay! Every cute and pretty thing in the world is yellow!
Well, of course. This cool and fast Shine is yellow.
Adorable little bus Lonnie is yellow.
Diligent Toto is.
Kind Robbie is also yellow.
Yellow is the best!
Since that day, the yellow friends have become very close.
Should we go down the slide this time?
Great idea!
Isn't that funny?
That is so funny!
Oh.
What color do we blend with blue to make green?
It's yellow!
That's correct. Well done, everyone.
Gee.
Guys, so are we going now? Oh.
Yeah!
Shine! Let's go to the riverside.
Oh, I'm sorry. We plan to go help Robbie cleaning today.
What? You cleaning? That doesn't fit you.
What?
Oh.
Speed, shouldn't you start doing something nice instead of fooling around all the time? Come on, guys, let's go.
Okay.
Gee, what the?
Tayo, the little bus.
Oh, Shine's so mean. He's hanging out with the yellow friends every day. It doesn't matter. There! I can have so much fun just playing by myself! Hey-you! Hey! Oh, my. It's quite tiring doing it all alone. It would be fun if Shine was here to play with me. Huh? Aren't those kites? That's awesome! I wonder where people are flying those from. Oh? Ha-ha!
Ah, there you go.
Thank you.
Excuse me?
Huh?
Can you make me a kite too, please?
Okay, what kind of kite would you like?
Can you draw something on it too, mister?
It is the next day.
Hey, Shine!
Hi, Speed.
Do you want to come to the riverside with me tomorrow? I found something very interesting.
Something very interesting?
Yeah, you will like it very much. So are you coming?
Huh. Okay, meet me at the riverside tomorrow then.
Really? You promised.
Okay.
See you tomorrow.
Uh-huh. Okay, see ya.
Finally, I get to play with Shine after a long time.
Huh? Guys!
Shine!
Hello, I've got great news for you.
Great news.
Yeah, we are all going to ride a ferry tomorrow. How's that?
Wow, really?
Yeah, Lanny's got the tickets.
Shine, you are coming, right?
Well, sure, of course.
Oh no, Shine must have forgotten his promise to Speed.
All right, see you all at the dock tomorrow.
Okay.
The next day, Speed is waiting for Shine.
Shine's gonna be so surprised when he sees these. I want to fly these with him as soon as I can.
Wow! I've never gone on a ferry before.
So, shall we get on now?
Yeah! Woohoo! Yeah! Come on, guys!
Shine's late again. Phew. Shine, when are you coming?
Wow, this is cool! I've never felt this refreshed before. Me neither, and it's all thanks to Lanny.
I feel great too coming here with you guys.
Us yellow friends are the best!
Of course!
But how come I keep feeling uncomfortable? Am I forgetting something?
Why isn't Shine coming? Where is he? Huh? Go away, I'm not in the mood to play with you. Oh! No, those are kites that I'm going to be flying with Shine. What? So you want to do this? Huh? Ah! Oh no! Oh, what should I do?
Okay, here we are. Whoa! Whoa! Wow! Oh, that was such fun. Let's come back. Oh, yeah.
What should we do now?
Huh? What's that? Oh. Well, that's...
Kites?
And that's Speed and Shine drawn on them.
Where did these come from?
Oh.
I found something very interesting. You're gonna like it. You promised.
That's right. Speed. 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 Hey, Speed. Am I too late?
Oh my.
Huh?
Where have you been?
Speed! You didn't leave yet! I'm sorry I'm late.
Huh. Yeah, whatever. You're always late.
Well, actually, I'm sorry. I forgot about our plan for today. I went on a ferry ride with my yellow friends.
What?
I'm so sorry.
Oh. Gee. You have such a bad memory for such a bright guy.
Speed? Aren't you angry?
No. Huh? But the thing that I prepared to play with you, I've lost them.
Oh, do they? Do they happen to be these?
Wow! How did you find them?
I didn't. They flew over to me all by themselves.
Really? Well, I guess we are meant to be best friends.
Yeah. Hi, Will!
Oh. Oh, by the way, Shine, was the ferry ride really good?
Oh, yes. But I think it's more fun to play with you.
Huh? Gee, you've only been playing with the yellow friends.
Well, I like yellow friends, too. Well, let's all play together next time then, huh?
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
I want to be your friend. The little buses and friends are playing at the playground.
Catch me!
Stop right there!
Watch out, guys!
Aren't they driving way too fast? Gotcha!
Not even a chance!
Speed!
You didn't expect this, huh? Oh! Ah! Phew. Oh, that was close. Oh! Oh, no, my tire! I can't believe it. Look, my tire's flat.
You were driving too fast, Speed.
Hold on a moment. We called Hannah, so she'll be here soon.
There
she comes. Huh?
Speed! Are you all right?
I am. Who is she?
Oh, this is Heart. She helps me at work.
Hello.
Hi.
It must hurt.
Oh, yeah.
Hang on just a second. Hannah will fix you in a moment.
Oh, okay. Wow. Heart is so kind.
Phew! There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Speed, are you okay now?
I am.
That's good. See you later then. Bye-bye.
Heart is like a beautiful angel.
Speed,
Huh?
why is your face so red?
What? No, I've been red to start with.
Oh, it seems that Speed wants to be friends with Heart. Next day, Speed goes out looking for Heart.
With this newest speaker. Hello, Heart.
Oh, Speed. Wow, this music's really good. What's this called?
It's my favorite. Do you want to try listening to it?
Yeah, sure.
I can be friends with her like that. Oh, there she is. Hello, Heart.
Hi, Speed. Oh, I can hear music.
Excuse me, pretty little car.
Yes?
How do I get to City Hall?
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
To the City Hall.
City Mall?
The City Hall.
Oh. Hey, Heart, isn't this music good?
Speed, I'm sorry, but can you turn it down a bit?
Okay.
I'm sorry, where are you trying to get to?
I'm trying to go to City Hall.
Oh, you can go straight down this way.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh no, she left.
Yo, Speed!
Huh?
Turn the music back on. It was so good.
Oh, all right.
Yoo-hoo! It's so awesome!
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Watch me. I'll become close with Heart this time. Huh? Heart, I'll show you something interesting.
Wow, it's so cool. You're the best, Speed.
Heart will love it. Oh, there she is. Hello, Heart.
Oh, hi, Speed.
I'll show you something interesting. Watch. Huh?
What are you doing?
Why isn't this coming out?
What was that? Speed, you scared me.
It's not supposed to be like this. Oh, I just keep making mistakes instead of being friends with her. How am I gonna make it up to her? Huh?
What should we do?
What's going on? Heart, is something wrong?
Speed?
Oh.
Hannah asked me to bring those, but they're too much to carry. I have to hurry, though.
All right, that's it. Don't worry, Heart. I'll help you.
Really?
Of course. Sir, could you put some of those in my trunk as well?
Okay.
Thank you, Speed.
Don't mention it. Wow, Heart is appreciating my help.
All right, that's it.
Shall we go now? All right, I could do something even more awesome. Heart said she was in a hurry.
Oh, Speed!
Speed drives very fast to impress Heart.
Wait for me!
Hannah!
Oh? What are you doing here, Speed?
Heart had a little too much to carry, so I'm giving her a hand.
Wow, really? Let's see. Huh? What's this? It's all messed up.
What?
What?
I need these right away. Oh, dear.
Oh, no, Hannah.
Oh, I didn't mean this to happen.
Tayo, the little bus. Hey, everybody. Do you want to go to the playground?
Okay.
Speed, do you want to come? Huh? What's wrong?
Did something happen?
So you want to be friends with Hart, but it's not working out very well for you?
Yeah, I just keep making mistakes.
Is there perhaps anything we could help him with?
How about first figuring out what Hart likes?
That's a great idea.
If you do something Hart likes, then you'll be friends with her easily.
Great! We'll try to figure it out and let you know right away.
Really? Thanks, guys!
Rogi, did you find anything?
No.
No, I didn't either.
It's harder than expected.
Huh? What's that sound?
Let's go and see.
So cool!
All right.
What a fancy pattern! How can you be so gorgeous? Wow!
Hey!
Hart likes cars with fancy patterns on them.
Like Rio!
Oh! Haha, this should be able to impress Hart. When Hart approaches me impressed, I can naturally apologize for what happened before. Where is Hart? Oh.
The little bus is singing and playing with his friends, singing along with his friends.
Is she cleaning? So she likes that kind of music. Uh-oh! Why is it suddenly raining?
Singing and playing with his
Oh!
friends, singing along with his friends.
Can you come and pick me up downtown? It's suddenly raining quite hard.
Huh? Oh, okay, I'll be there. Oh no, what should I do?
Uh-oh. Oh no! Hart will be in so much trouble for this. I gotta help her. Huh?
Speed cleans the messy repair shop to help Hart.
Phew, thank you so much, Hart.
No problem. She will be surprised when she sees the repair shop. Oh. Huh?
Wow! Oh. Hart, you even cleaned while I was gone.
Well, that's...
Thank you. I'll go get a little rest now.
Okay. What happened? It was all so messy when I left. Huh? What's that noise? Ah, it's a monster!
What? What's going on, Hart?
Are you... Speed? What are you doing here?
Oh, well, that's,
Wait, are you the one who cleaned all that after I left?
Yeah. I coincidentally saw it and thought you'd be in trouble if it stayed like that.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. What were you doing here anyway?
Actually, I wanted to apologize for what I did before. I was just trying to be close friends with you, but it just didn't work out very well.
What? Is that so? You could have just told me. Let's be good friends from now on.
Really?
Yahoo! I think you'd better go to the car wash and get washed first.
Me? Why? Huh? What? What's this? I painted myself, so I thought you'd like it.
What?
Speed and Heart promise to keep their friendship and stay good friends.